You said, won't nobody give them nothing to eat.
Ain't nobody throwing nothing out there.
There's a box of honey buns in the van. You want to get 2, 3 and throw it out there to me?
You'll be happy with it. Your van locked, ain't it?
No, it's not locked. You locked.
Yeah,
You want to throw them some honey buns?
I throw one out there.
You have to go get it then.
You ain't the door locked, Lee?
I don't lock it.
I know, I went to try to open it. They funny though. They're out there hungry, I guess. Nobody getting something to eat. That might have been the ones up here singing. You done locked? Got it?
Want to feed the birds.
That's big old ants.
Throw it up there to them. Up there. Don't throw it around here. Up where they are.
He's saying throw the honey bun to the birds over there.
Oh, they see you coming. Look at that. Look at that. They're getting all excited. Look at that.
And this is going to be a trip when she feed them birds. Then she going to be running from them. Wait. Ooh. I think you're scared of them. You went through all of it?
I didn't get the two out.
Yeah. They ate 2 honey buns that fast? No. Honey buns. Baby, she gave them about 4 or 5 honey buns. And one of them she took the whole honey bun. He just took the whole honey bun and went away with it.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
Oh well.
You've been detected.
Yeah, I videotaped it.